Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's videos was what was the possible dates of result for IBPS PO and IBPS clerk prelims examinations, and also what was the maximum and minimum number of cutoffs in all the states. So these two things I will discuss in this video, guys. So first, our first point was result. So when will the result declare by IBPS? So what was the possible dates to come? The result of both the PO and clerk preliminary examinations. So first, in this result, many of the students, including me also, eagerly awaiting for examination results, guys, both PO and clerk. So I'm very anxious about my result. So can I clear or not? And what are my chances to sit the mains examination? So all these things. So because of this, I'm not concentrate on studies. Can I clear or not? So can I crack the cutoff or not? So many of the questions in my mind, guys, same as you. So first, in this result we will expect in first Jan, but first Jan is over, and next our is first week of January month. So within, so in 2 to 3 days, first week of January is also over, guys. So next our waiting date was second week of January. So second week of January is also over. So in this base we only point out the, so we all are, don't wait for result, so just practice and prepare hard for upcoming examination. So if we will fail in this PO and clerk, we have so many chances ahead. It means SBI clerk is also there, and so IBPS RRB tentative dates also released. So there are many exams ahead, guys. So in this process we stop thinking about result. So for that purpose I will give rough marks to expected cutoff in my view, guys. This is my prediction only, so don't think it blindly. So first, in this result we will expect, so Friday, Saturday or Sunday, there these are 2 days, guys. So Friday is maximum high possible chances to the result will come. And next, for PO, I think Friday will come, guys. This week, it means first week of January. So on clerk, in my view, second week of Jan, I think to expect the result. IBPS clerk, second week of Jan. So this is my expecting dates, guys. So don't think it blindly. And next, so in other side, Omicron cases is also rise, guys. Just now I seen JAIB exam was on 8 and 9 dates, so that exam was also postponed due to Omicron cases in few states like West Bengal, Maharashtra, Delhi. So in this, so we have two reasons for delaying the results, guys. So first reason was because of vacancies. I think because of vacancies, they are not allotted states wise vacancies in clerk. That's why IBPS clerk results delayed in my view. And so first one is allotted vacancies at the states, and next one is due to Omicron cases. So these are the two predictable causes for delayed results in my view, guys. So we will wait for second week of January. So until now we'll prepare for these two examinations. We have an idea about these two examinations in second week of January. So I think so PO and clerk, so both the exams are postponed, guys. That's why they delayed the result. So next so in this I'm only saying, guys, don't wait for result. As usually you will follow your schedule and prepare hard for these examinations. If you are in or out, this is not matter. This is useful for this preparation is useful for upcoming examinations. So this is only my suggestion, guys. Next, so many of the students are also anxious about cutoff. So in this cutoff, two reasons: so maximum cutoff and also minimum cutoff. So in these all states, the maximum cutoff will be in the range of 75 to 82. Some north states and some lesser number of vacancies compared to the last few years. So the states may likely to in the range of 75 to 82. This is for general. And in minimum number of cutoffers, like compared to last year, this year vacancies was higher in some states, guys. So that's why the minimum number of cutoff was 70 to 75. This is also for general. And one more in Karnataka, so always very less expected cutoff in Karnataka. So in Karnataka I will expect 68 to 73 or 64 to 70. So this is my expected cutoff of Karnataka. And in our states, the maximum northeastern states and some states like 75 to 82, and minimum states 70 to 75, and in Karnataka 68 to 73 or else 64 to 70. This is also for general cutoff. So this is my expected cutoff for IBPS clerk, guys. So this is IBPS clerk, IBPS clerk cutoff. In PO all the states are same, guys. That's why in PO my expected maximum cutoff for general is so 55 to 60, and minimum cutoff is so 50 to 54. So this is for IBPS PO maximum and minimum cutoff. So this is my prediction, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.